Boys and girls, Mrs. Valasin here. Today we're going to be doing another science experiment. What you need is milk, dish soap, food coloring, cotton swabs, and you can use a plate. I use something like this so that you guys can see it better. So first you're going to put some milk on your plate. Okay, and then you're going to put drops of food coloring, just spaced out in your milk. I just have a couple colors. Okay, and then you're going to put some dish soap just in a small container. You don't need very much, just a little bit. And then you're going to take your Q-tip and just poke it into the dish soap, and then you're going to use it to put it into the milk. You're just going to touch it right into the milk to see what it does. Pretty cool, huh? So this works because milk has fat in it, and the food coloring floats on top of the fat. The fat is all connected with bonds. Think of it like little pieces of fat all holding hands with each other. Dish soaps are used on greasy or oily dishes because it breaks the bonds and fats, allowing them to separate. When you add the dish soap to the milk, the fat separates and moves milk, making your magical milk art. Pretty cool, huh? So you can keep going with it. And this can go right down your sink when you're done. Just be careful not to spill it. And as always, make sure you ask your parents before you do this. Please, please, please. I hope you have fun. Bye, boys and girls.